Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the extract command in Splunk search processing language. The extract command is a powerful tool that allows you to create new fields from existing data in your search results. Think of it as a way to pull out specific pieces of information from your raw data and turn them into structured, searchable fields. You can use the extract command with regular expressions to match complex patterns, or with delimiters to split data based on specific characters like commas or pipes. This capability is essential for transforming unstructured log data into meaningful, analyzable information that can drive insights for your organization. The basic syntax of the extract command follows a simple structure. You start with the keyword extract, followed by the field equals value pattern, and then specify the source field you want to extract from using the from keyword. This fundamental structure gives you the foundation for all extract operations. The field parameter defines what you want to name your new extracted field, while the value represents the pattern or delimiter you want to use for extraction. The from parameter specifies which existing field contains the data you want to extract from. Understanding this basic syntax is crucial because all variations of the extract command build upon these core elements. Regular expressions provide the most flexible way to extract fields using the extract command. When using RegEx patterns, you create named capture groups using the syntax less than field name greater than followed by your pattern. For example, to extract an IP address, you would use less than IP greater than \d plus \, \d plus \d plus \d plus. The named group creates a new field called IP that contains the matched IP address. Similarly, for email extraction, you can use less than user greater than \w plus at sign less than domain greater than \w plus \.com. Regular expressions give you precise control over what data gets extracted and how it gets structured. The Delimiter method provides a simpler approach for extracting fields from structured data. When your data is separated by consistent characters like commas, pipes, or spaces, you can use the delim parameter to specify the separator. For comma-separated values, you would use delim equals quote comma quote, followed by fields equals quote name comma age comma city quote to define the field names. For key-value pair extraction, you use pairdelim to separate different pairs and kdelim to separate keys from values. For instance, pairdelim equals quote ampersand quote and kdelim equals sign quote works perfectly for URL parameters. This method is particularly useful for CSV data, log formats with consistent separators, and configuration files. Let's examine a practical example using a typical web server log entry. Consider this sample data, 192.168.100 space, user 1 space bracket 10/October:12:30:45 bracket space quote get space /index, HTML quote. To extract the client IP address from this log entry, you would use the extract command with the regular expression less than client underscore IP greater than \d plus \d plus \d plus \d plus. This pattern matches the IP address format and creates a new field called client underscore IP containing the value 192.168.100. The extract command becomes even more powerful when extracting multiple fields simultaneously from a single data source. Using a complex regular expression pattern, you can capture multiple named groups in one operation. For our web server log example, the pattern less than IP greater than \d plus \d plus \d plus \d plus asterisk less than user greater than \w plus asterisk less than time greater than \d plus \d plus \d plus extracts 3 different fields. The result creates separate fields. IP equals 192.168.100, user equals user1, and time equals 12:30:45. This approach is highly efficient for processing structured log data. Understanding the key parameters of the extract command is essential for effective field extraction. For regular expression-based extraction, the primary parameters are RegEx and field. The RegEx parameter defines the pattern you want to match, while the field parameter specifies the name of the new field you're creating. For delimiter-based extraction, the main parameters are delim and fields. The delim parameter specifies the character or string that separates your data elements, such as commas, pipes, or tabs. The fields parameter provides a list of names for the extracted fields in the order they appear in your data. Additionally, for key-value pair extraction, you have pairdelim to separate different pairs and kdelim to separate keys from their corresponding values. Following best practices ensures optimal performance and accuracy when using the extract command. First, always use specific patterns rather than overly broad regular expressions. Specific patterns reduce false matches and improve extraction accuracy. Second, test your extraction patterns with sample data before applying them to large datasets. This helps identify potential issues and ensures your patterns work as expected across different data variations. Third, choose the appropriate extraction method based on your data structure. Use delimiters for consistently formatted data and regular expressions for complex or variable patterns. Common extraction patterns include email addresses using standard email regex patterns, IP addresses using the dotted decimal format, and log timestamps using time-specific patterns. These practices will help you build reliable and efficient field extraction workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.